Okay, welcome to this week's conversation on leadership and management. And excuse my more casual appearance. I did participate in a community service activity today, and it made me think a lot about the special events assignment from last week. The company that I work with partners with Children's Hospital or Children's Miracle Network, which helps children's hospitals, specifically UCSF Benioff Children's Hospital. And so excited that all of the participants in the torch relay race that we did today fundraised $42,000 to help with research for children with disease. Additionally, we did have a couple of cancer survivors that were there to tell their stories. Olivia, who was 7, and another little gentleman who was 11. And it was just great to see all of the participation from UCSF employees, from Marriott International employees, from a variety of different hotels, and also what goes into this kind of event, from signage to food and beverage to getting permits to t-shirts and registration and liability waivers and things like that. So it really made me think about our conversation last week. So as we go into talk about leadership and management this week, I wanted to call your attention to this slide here and the difference between leadership and management. And this is probably one of the better kind of breakdowns that I've seen before, where managers focus on things and leaders focus on people, right? And so you can kind of think about, managers working in the system, leaders working on the system, and being a little bit more inspirational. So there is a time and a place for managers and for leaders, and it's good to know and put each hat on in your own unique way. So I also want to call your attention to, and the chapter in the book really does talk a great deal about this, but the planning, organizing, making decisions, communicating, motivating, and controlling steps. And this is specifically one of the things that you're expected to do in your group assignment. So I did want to call that out so that when you're reading that information, you can also apply those learnings to that particular project. This is actually the last week of instructional content because there will be some time for a variety of things in the next couple of weeks, including an option to participate in a field trip, either virtually, if you can participate in the discussion to let me know what information I can help share, or I've put some suggested times that I could be available to do a tour of the hotel that I work at currently, the San Francisco Marriott Marquis. Or you can put in the discussion thread a date and time that would work for you, and I can take a look and see how we can arrange for that tour to take place. So I hope you have a great week ahead and have a chance to be able to learn a little bit about leadership and management so that you can apply it to that group assignment. And I'll be back to give you some more information next week to help you with it. Thanks so much and have a great week ahead.